Hey guys, what's up? This is mindlesscontroll or Alex, and this is part 3 of Lego helicopter. So here's what I have so far. Well, when we left off, we were putting these pieces on there. So yeah. So let's get started. There are going to be 2 pieces like this. Now this video won't be as long as the other ones, because this is the end of the helicopter. Anyway, so here we go, okay? And then we need that piece. Pretty cool, you can see. And then we will put these pieces just like that. Okay? Like that. And then we add the pointing piece like that. And we put it onto here. And you just do the same with the other piece. With that, same pieces, everything, and yeah. The only difference is that you put it on the other side.
Oh, go ahead.
You can hear my grandmother talking on the phone. Sorry about that. But right. So right there. Okay? And yeah, wait, one question. Alright, here's the first thing. I made this from scratch not too long ago, about a week ago. It's a hot rod. As you can see, it's on an angle like a tea bucket. Alright? Pretty cool. I think so, anyway. And one more thing. My grandfather built this. It is a drag car. It's really cool. But okay. So back to us. We have the helicopter. Okay. Right. We're gonna need 2 of these pieces right here. Alright? Just 2 of those. Put those right on top. Right there above those other pieces that we added on. Alright? You can see it better. Alright. So, on to the next page. Two of these right here. Aha, here we go. They're cone shaped pieces. I just call them cones. And these are here. Okay. And then next, 2 of these. So that's simple enough. And you just put that right on top of there, and you put the cone right in there in the middle. And you just do the same with the other one. That's probably we don't know. And then you can craft around, and you just stick them in to there. Okay. Right in there, and on the other side, right there. Okay. Sorry, my shadow kind of blocks the light. Alright, there we go. Okay. So now we have those pieces in. Now we're going to need these two. And here you just put that right on there. Or I would say spinny piece. Okay. And then two of these. Okay. Now you just put that spinning piece right on top of there. And with these arrow pieces, you just put them right there. Okay. We are 6 minutes and 15 seconds into the video. But get on to the next page. Okay, so you're gonna need flat, any color piece. Two of these. Okay, flat. And two of these. Alright. 1 by 8. No, 1 by 5. 1 by 10. And so this is the Eiffel Tower on top. And I'm pretty sure. Oh, wait a minute, we need 2 ones. Okay. Now you just put these 2 pieces right there. Right there. Okay? You just add a white piece to connect them right there, and you add the vents on each one right there. Add the blue piece right to there. It'll be off, but that's what it's supposed to be. Okay? I'm getting this all from the book, people. Okay? And you just set that around out. There we go. And I think that's pretty much it. Just keep that. And there you go, people. You have a Lego helicopter. Pretty cool. Actually, it is cool. Ha ha ha! You'll never get me here. You stuck right there. You'll never catch me again. Oh no! I'm dead. Yes, you are. Yay! Finn wins again. Oh, that was done right now. Okay, so whatever. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, rate, thumbs up. Alright. Peace. Hope you enjoyed.